Children, we'll continue this. Okay, this Kuomintang party was started by Dr. Sun Yat-sen, and after the death of Dr. Sun Yat-sen, Chiang Kai-shek, he became the leader of the Kuomintang party. And the Communist party was formed by this Mao Zedong. Understand? So, in Kuomintang party, there were only the landlords and the capitalist people. So, Mao Zedong, he gathered all the peasantry, the workers, understand? And he gave training for them in a mountainous region for 7 years. Can you able to follow then? And next we'll see about the Long March. This is very important event in the history of China, that is 1934. Long March in 1934. Chiang Kai-shek had a circle fortified post around the communist position. Mao Zedong and this Yunnan, they wanted to have a safe territory. Understand? Mao Zedong, because they followed communism. We all know that. So, for that, in 1933, Mao Zedong gathered the full control of the Chinese Communist Party, and in 1934, he gathered the Communist Army with the people of 1 lakh of people. He formed the Communist Army. This Mao Zedong formed Communist Army. How much of people? 1 lakh. 1 lakh people. All the peasants. Understand? Peasantry farmers. Okay. And they set out the long march. The long march for 6,000 miles. The long march they went for 6,000 miles. Nadande ponangala 6,000 miles. Understand? So, among the 1 lakh people, only the 20,000 people, they gathered. Lastly, they finished the long march. Appo meedi people enna ananga? Vara valiliye they died. Understand? Only the 20,000 people, they reached northern Chennai. Okay, and they crossed about 6,000 miles. It was a very important event in the history of China, and this communist army headed by Mao Zedong, he collected nearly 10 million people. Understand? Many people, they joined in this communist on seeing the long march of this Mao Zedong. Understand? Mao Zedong Communist Party leader. So, under the leadership, 110 million of people, they joined with them. So, at this time, this Japan wanted to attack this China. Understand? And this Japanese, they try to occupy China, the northern part of this China, and including this Manchuria, all the places. Okay. So, on seeing this, Chiang Kai-shek and the Kuomintang party and Mao Zedong, they wanted to join with each other, and they fight against the Japanese. One pathanga China la irukra Kuomintang partyum கம்யூனிஸ்ட் பார்ட்டியும் நம்ம பிரிஞ்சு இருந்தோன்னா ஜாப்பனீஸ் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நம்மளை அட்டாக் பண்ணிடுவாங்க, ஈஸியாக they will capture us அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு these two part நம்ம சண்டை போட வேண்டாம், will join together and will attack this Japanese forces அப்படின்ட்டு join பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Understand? And both the parties, they occupied the Japanese areas. They defeated the Japanese, and the Kuomintang party successfully, they captured many places. And all the many cities fell into the hands of the Chinese people, and Peking became that is the capital of China, was occupied by this Chiang Kai-shek. And because how this Chiang Kai-shek, this Kuomintang party, they captured most of the places in Japan, it was helped by USA, America. It sent many army and ammunities to help this Kuomintang party, that is Chiang Kai-shek. Understand? So with the help of the massive support provided by this USA, Kuomintang party, they control all the government, then administration, ports, communication, trade, transport system, everything. Understand? But the soldiers, many of the soldiers belong to peasantry. லோக்கு அதான் நம்ம யார் கம்யூனிஸ்ட் பெசன்ட்ஸ் அவங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம். அதனால் அவங்க வாட் தே தாட் ஆல் தீஸ் பிளேசஸ் வேர் கேப்சர்டு பை த கொமிங்டன் பார்ட்டி, நமக்கு கம்யூனிசம்க்கு எதுவுமே இல்லையா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு தே வேர் என்ன த மிடில் கிளாஸ் பீப்புள் அண்ட் ஸோ தே டிக்ளேர்டு தட் த கம்யூனிஸ்ட் வாண்டட் டு ரூல் த பீப்புள். ஸோ அதனால் அவங்க என்ன சொல்லிட்டாங்க, எங்களுக்கு வி டோன்ட் வாண்ட் எனி டிக்டேட்டர்ஷிப், ஒரு மனுஷன் தனிப்பட்ட மனுஷன் எங்களை ரூல் பண்ணக்கூடாது. Understand? We don't want this Chiang Kai-shek to be the ruler. Understand? We want communism. Abdin all the people, they decided and they made this Ma Zedong as the leader of this communist party of China. Understand? And in September 1949, they political consultative conference was met at Peking. And totally 650 deliberates were attended in the conference, and they made this communist party as the central governing party by Ma Zedong. அவர்தான் அப்படின்னு கொண்டு வந்துட்டாங்க. And afterwards it became as the People Republic of China under the leadership of Ma Zedong. So there were two mighty important world. எது ஆல்ரெடி இன் சோவியத் ரஷ்யா கம்யூனிசம் இருக்குது இல்லை, ரஷ்யாவில் தே ஆர் ஃபாலோயிங் கம்யூனிசம் ஒன்லி. இப்போ அனதர் எந்த கண்ட்ரி பிக் கண்ட்ரி வந்துருச்சு, இன் சைனா ஆல்சோ கம்யூனிசம் ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆல் ஓவர் இன் சைனா. த பீப்புள் ஈகர்லி தே ஸ்டார்டட் டு ஃபாலோ கம்யூனிசம் இன் சைனா and Ma Zedong become the leader of China. Can you able to follow? And now this United States of America, it refused to the People Republic of recognition of the People Republic of China for 2 decades. That is called as denial of UNO membership. Understand? Now Cold War, we are going to see about the Cold War between USA and America. I told you that after the Second World War, the two world war blocks came into existence. They were called as the countries are USA and USSR. After the Second World War, this USA, that is United States of America, and another one is Russia. These two countries became what we can say block powers. Understand? இவங்களுக்குள்ளேயே நடந்தது தான் என்னது, Cold War. A Cold War between USA and USSR. Now, one by one we'll see Truman's policy. In 1948, Soviet that is established the socialist government in the countries of Eastern Europe. Understand? Eastern side la European countries எல்லாம் they started to follow communism, communist Soviet. Understand? So during this period, Truman, the president of USA, he formulated the policy. ஒரு பாலிசி ஒன்று கொண்டு வந்தார். It was called as Truman's doctrine. That was Truman. He was the president of America. Truman's policy. They are கொண்டு வந்தது USA. And next one, Marshall Plan. This USA conceived the Marshall Plan to bring all the western countries. Understand? ஏன்னா ஈஸ்டர்ன் கண்ட்ரிஸ் எல்லாம் எதை ஃபாலோ பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சாங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம். ஈஸ்டர்ன் யூரோப்பியன் கண்ட்ரிஸ் they started to follow communism. ரஷ்யா சைட் போயிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் அதனால அமெரிக்கா பார்த்துச்சு வெஸ்டர்ன் சைடில் இருக்கிற யூரோப்பியன் கண்ட்ரியெல்லாம் நம்மளோட கண்ட்ரோலில் கொண்டு வரலாம் அப்படின்றதுனால they unite all the western European countries under the control of this USA. and to help எப்படி ஒரு கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணனா எப்படி போயிட்டு அப்படியே கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ இட் told that she is going to give help to all the Western European countries அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு செகண்ட் வேர்ல்டு வார்க்கு உங்களுக்கு என்னெல்லாம் வேணுமோ ஐ வில் ஹெல்ப் யூ அப்படின்னு she promised. ஸோ அதனால ப்ராமிஸ் பண்ணதுனால the Western European countries also they joined with this USA. Understand? Now NATO, the formation of military alliances. They formed some military alliances. They were called as, one by one we'll see. First one, America, NATO, NATO, NATO. That is, NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. What is meant by NATO? North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So it was formed by America to resist the power of communism. Understand? Communism resist பண்றதுக்காக கொண்டு வந்தாங்க in 1949 NATO. அதில் யாரெல்லாம் அதில் அமெரிக்காவோட யாரெல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, the countries of America and Europe. The major members of the countries are Canada, Belgium, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, United Kingdom. All these countries, they joined in this NATO. And later Greece and Turkey also joined with them, and Germany also joined in the year 1955. So they gave many objectives in this NATO. Then next one, SEATO. SEATO. This SEATO, it is otherwise called as Manila Pact. Because this conference was held at Manila. Adanala it was called as Manila in 1954. SEATO means Southeast Asian Treaty Organization. NATO என்ன சொன்ன? North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Understand? SEATO means Southeast Asian Treaty Organization, or else it is called as Manila Pact. It conducted at Manila. Understand? We'll see. And this South Asian Treaty Organization was organized in Manila in the year 1954 by USA. இதில் கண்ட்ரிஸ் யாரெல்லாம் ஜாயின் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா, ஃப்ரான்ஸ், இங்கிலாந்து, நியூசிலாந்து, ஆஸ்திரேலியா, பிலிப்பைன்ஸ், தாய்லாந்து அண்ட் பாகிஸ்தான். The member countries of this SEATO, that is NATO, was committed to prevent communism. எதுக்காக இந்த NATO, SEATO இதெல்லாம் USA ஃபார்ம் பண்ணாங்கன்னா, டு ப்ரிவெண்ட் கம்யூனிசம். மற்ற ஃபஸ்ட் ஆல்ரெடி ரஷ்யாவில் இருந்தது, தென் இட் ஸ்ப்ரெட் டு சைனா. மற்ற கண்ட்ரி யாரும் இது கம்யூனிசமை நாட் டு ஃபாலோ, டு ரெசிஸ்ட் த பவர் ஆஃப் கம்யூனிசம். திஸ் USA, it started NATO and SEATO. Understand? So on seeing this NATO and SEATO, Russia formed an alliance. It was called as Warsaw Pact. Warsaw Pact. Russia. Understand? இதில் யார் இருந்ததுன்னு பார்த்தா, 8 European powers. 8 European powers, they joined with this Russia. தான் ஈஸ்டர்ன் யூரோப்பியன் கண்ட்ரிஸ் எல்லாம் இதில் ஜாயின் பண்ணாங்க. வாட் ஆர் த கண்ட்ரிஸ் அப்படின்னா, அல்பேனியா, பல்கேரியா, ஹங்கரி, செக்கோஸ்லோவேக்கியா, ஈஸ்ட் ஜெர்மனி, போலாண்ட், ருமேனியா அண்ட் ரஷ்யா. Understand? They all together they formed this Warsaw Pact, which was conducted in Moscow. எங்க இது நடந்தது? In Moscow. In the year May 14, 1955. May 14th May 1955. Warsaw Pact. Okay children, then we'll see the CENTO or Baghdad Pact. In 1955, again, this Turkey, Iraq, Great Britain, Pakistan and Iran signed a pact known as Baghdad Pact in 1958, and United States also joined with them. This was called as CENTO, Central Treaty Organization. That is CENTO. Understand? In the year 1958. Central Treaty Organization. It was called as CENTO. It was formed by this the Muslim countries, Turkey, Iran, Great Britain and Pakistan, and Iraq also joined with them, and later on this USA, America also joined with this Baghdad Pact in the year 1958, and they formed the CENTO, Central Treaty Organization. Can you able to follow, children? Okay. And after this, in 1979, the CENTO was dissolved. So these are all between a Cold War, this was very important, Cold War, between USA and Russia. What are all the pact? They formed military alliances. Ennala pannanga? America formed NATO, CETO and CENTO. Understand? And this Russia, it formed Warsaw Pact along with 8 Eastern European countries. Understand? On May 14th, 1955. So in next class, we'll see about Korean War, Israeli War, non-aligned, Cuban crisis. All these side headings we'll see in the next class. Idha neenga nalla padichukonga, thorough A to bed. Okay children, thank you. Bye.